and then like swoobly loop. That's not straight enough. And then swoobly loop, and then swoobly loop, and then swoobly loop, and then swoobly loop, and then swoobly loop. I gotta get the swoobly loop, and then swoobly loop. Boom, boom, boom. It's just too easy. It's honestly just too easy. Then we color pick, and then boom, we fill. And then boom, we fill. And then boom, we fill. And then we boom, and then we fill. And then we boom, and then we boom. And then we, oh my gosh, this shit is too easy. Take the brush, and then we're gonna go swoobly loop. And then we're gonna go swoobly loop. And then we're gonna go swoobly loop. And we're gonna go swoobly loop one more time. We're gonna take the brush, and then we're gonna go boop. Then we're gonna go boop. Then I'm gonna color pick her skin again, and then I'm gonna do this, and then dot, bop, bop, and then we're gonna go boom, boom. We're gonna go, okay, and then we take the brush, and then we go, and then I'm gonna go boom, and then I'm gonna go whoosh-wah, whoosh-wah. I'm gonna go whoosh-wah. Wish-wah, 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 and wish-wah. Oh my gosh. Then we go wish-wah, wish-wah, wish-wah. And then we go wish-wah. Okay, and then I go wish-wah. And then I go wish-wah. And then I go wish-wah. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. And then we're gonna take the brush, and then we're gonna go whoosh, wah, and then we're gonna whoo, and then we're gonna fill, and then we're gonna go boom, boom, ellipses, and then we go whoo, whoo, and then we go yag it, and then we go yag it, yag it, yag it. Okay, and then we go sheesh, and then we go whoo, go whoo. All right, we do this. These are the back of the coat. And then we do this because this is the coat. And then we do ba, 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 ba. And then I'm gonna go a swoosh, a schwank, a schwa. And then I'm gonna go a swoosh, a schwank, a schwa. And then we're gonna go, oh. And then we're gonna go, oh my god, oh. Boom. Add some extra dimension to it with that. And then you go boom. And then you add some more dimension to the bottom pancake. And then you go boom. And then you go boom. And you add some dimension to the bottom pancake again. Boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Wait a minute.
Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And then we just go and then we go so perfect. Okay. He looks like Light Yagami. Guess what? I didn't. Yes. And guess what? You're banned.
Only for you.